How could India hit 13 targets inside Pakistan so precisely? The answer is Akash Tir. On the intervening night of 9th and 10th May, when Pakistan unleashed its deadliest attack against Indian military and civilian areas with missiles and drones, they were challenged by the Indian Wall of Self-Defense Akash Tir. It was Akash Tir which stopped all Pakistani inbound airborne drones missiles from entering the Indian airspace. The fully autonomous defense system Akash Tir is a completely indigenous product showcasing India's Atmanirbhar Bharat prowess. It is a system designed to automate detection, tracking and engagement of enemy aircraft, drones and missiles. It integrates various radar systems, sensors and communication technologies into a single operational framework. The most disruptive element of vehicle-based Akash Tir is its ability to absorb data from multiple feeds. Weather, terrain, radar intercepts and makes real-time decisions, reroutes missions and executes attack autonomously. Traditional models of air defense rely heavily on ground-based radars, human-monitored systems and surface-to-air missile batteries triggered by command chains. Akash Tir breaks that mold and increases automation and efficiency by eliminating human inputs and decentralizing. Experts across the world are now terming Akash Tir as a seismic shift in warfare strategy. With this, India has joined the elite club of nations with fully automated and integrated air defense control and reporting capability. Compared to Akash Tir, Pakistan's defense response consisted of HQ-9 and HQ-16, which proved to be a failure to detect our projectiles and intercept them timely, resulting in heavy losses. This is beyond anything we have seen before, said many Pakistani defense experts, which is equivocally echoed by many across the globe. In a national address, the Prime Minister had made it clear that
कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल की आड़ में पनप रहे आतंकी ठिकानों पर भारत सटीक और निर्णायक प्रहार करेगा।
Akash Tir's presence in Indian military assets exudes confidence that it gives a clear edge over terror-sponsoring state Pakistan's air defense capabilities.